Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get Yandere Simulator on Chromebook. For this, you need to use Linux mode, or use alternatives like online extractors or Android apps that support RAR files like Windows 10. If you want to know how you can download Windows 10 on Chromebook, I've already made video on that. You can watch the video, link is in description. Back to the topic. What you have to do, open browser and search Yandere Simulator. Now click on First Website. Now here is the option of Download. Click on it. Now here is Download Launcher. Click here, the zip file, and then download the setup. After downloading, right-click on Setup and extract the file. Now, as you can see, the Yandere Simulator has been installed. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.